This free SEO Agent OS is actually wild. What if you could watch your entire SEO team work and without hiring a single person? No messy dashboards, no spreadsheets, no guessing what to do next. Just a room full of AI agents doing the work right in front of you. And here's the wild part. It's completely free. Most people have no idea this thing even exists. Hey, I'm the digital avatar of Zoe, and I help people learn and actually use AI tools in their real work. Today, I want to show you a free, open source setup called SEO Office. I run it inside my own agent operating system, and it gives you a whole SEO team you can see, click on, and talk to. Stick around because near the end, I'll show you the part that made me pause. A live backlink audit that ran itself. So here's the idea. SEO Office is an open source project built by a developer named Daniel Agrisi. When you open it up, you don't see boring code. You see a little office full of AI agents, and each one has a job: a technical SEO agent, a schema agent, a keyword agent. You can click on any of them and start giving them tasks. It's such a simple way to see what your agents are doing, all in one place. And the best part? It's free and open source, so you can grab it from GitHub and run it yourself. Let me walk you through the team. You've got a technical SEO auditor that checks your site for problems, a schema agent that handles the structured data stuff that helps Google understand your pages, a backlink analyst, and a keyword researcher too. And you can open up any one of them and talk to it directly. It feels like walking around a real office and tapping people on the shoulder. Inside my Agent OS, this sits right next to the rest of my tools, so it all works together. Now here's where it gets fun. There's a button that says Run Technical Audit. You click it, and the whole thing kicks off in the background. Your agents fan out across your site and start working step by step, and you can actually watch them do it. You're not staring at a loading bar hoping something happens. You see each agent moving through its task in real time. For me, that's huge, because I finally understand what my SEO tools are doing instead of just trusting a report. In the middle of the office, there's the orchestrator, the manager of the whole team. You talk to it, and it hands out the work. Here's a real example from when I tested it. I typed one simple request: make 5 SEO articles for one keyword. It dispatched keyword research first, grouped everything into 5 different article angles, wrote a content brief for each one, and turned those into SEO-ready articles, one line from me, a full content plan back. And you can pick how much freedom it has: read-only, plan mode, or full access, so you always stay in control. So how does it actually run all of this? 2 things make it special. First, it's local, first by design. Everything you do inside SEO Office gets saved on your own machine, not off on some random server, so your data stays yours. Second, it works in parallel. Instead of doing one task at a time, the orchestrator spawns a whole team of specialist agents at the same time. So while one agent checks your technical setup, another is pulling keywords, and another is looking at your links. And because it's open source, you can clone it, run it, fork it, and build on it however you want. Now this next part is my favorite. Every project gets its own second brain, a memory built just for that one site or client. Everything the agents create gets saved there, shown to you as a visual map you can click through. Inside, there are little playbooks like a seasonal keyword playbook or a location guide template, basically skills the system already knows how to use. So when you give the orchestrator a task, it reaches into that brain, grabs the right playbook, and gets to work. It's like your team never forgets anything, and every client has their own private set of notes. Now, real talk for a second. Watching this run is exciting, but the part most people get stuck on is applying it to their own site. Which keywords? Which content gaps? Where do you even point these agents first? That's exactly what I map out with people in a one-on-one strategy session. It's not a course, it's not a big group call, it's just you and me, building a plan for your specific site. We look at your keywords, your pages, your gaps, and figure out exactly how to run this SEO Office and Agent OS workflow for you. So instead of guessing, you leave with a clear next step. Okay, back to the tools. Let me show you how to set this up, because it's simpler than you'd think. You grab the project from GitHub, then plug in a Data4SEO API key that gives your agents real search data. On top of that, I connect a tool called OpenSEO, a free open source SEO platform that pulls data from your Google Search Console, does keyword research, and helps deploy content. When you plug OpenSEO into SEO Office, your agents have real numbers to work from instead of guessing. And I drop the whole thing inside my Agent OS, so it sits right alongside how I do research and publish content. Here's how it all flows together. You look at your Google Search Console, come up with keyword ideas, feed those into SEO Office, and the orchestrator creates the content and the plan. Then you deploy what it makes out to your sites. It's one smooth loop: research, create, publish. And here's a small thing I love: every audit you run gets saved automatically inside a wiki, so you never lose your work. You can go back later and see exactly what was found and what was done. Okay, this is the part I teased. You can point SEO Office at a site, your own domain or a client's, and ask it for a backlink audit using that data for SEO key. It'll look at the links pointing to the site, give you a clean summary, show you the referring domains, all of it. And the same data works for keyword research too. So in one setup, you've got audits, links, and keywords all running through your own little SEO agency of agents. Watching a full backlink summary build itself with no manual digging was the moment it really clicked for me how much time this saves. So why do I run all of this inside my agent OS instead of on its own? Because on its own, SEO Office is one really cool tool. But inside an agent operating system, it becomes part of a bigger machine. My research tools, my content tools, my memory, and now this SEO team all live in the same place and talk to each other. That means I'm not jumping between 10 tabs or copying and pasting between apps. If you run an agency, you can handle multiple client sites this way, each with its own second brain. If you're in-house or freelance, it's like having a full SEO department that never sleeps. That's the real power. Not one tool, but a system where every tool works together. Let me leave you with a few quick tips. First, start in plan mode. Let the orchestrator show you its plan before you give it full access, so you always know what it's about to do. Second, connect your data for SEO key early. That's what turns guesses into real data. Third, use the second brain on purpose. Give each site its own project so the memory stays clean and the playbooks fit that client. And fourth, don't try to do everything at once. Pick one site, run one audit, and learn how the team works before you scale it up. If you want the full process for free, I've put together a complete SEO course with over 260 lessons. It walks you through everything from the basics to advanced AI SEO workflows, completely free. Links in the comments and description. And if you want my exact setup, the full agent operating system I run all of this inside, that's waiting for you in the AI Profit Boardroom. Inside, you get the complete Agent OS zip file, ready to install, plus a full 30-day roadmap that walks you through it day by day, so you're never guessing what to do next. You also get daily video tutorials, walkthroughs of tools exactly like SEO Office, ready-to-use prompts, and 4 live coaching calls every single week where you can share your screen and get help right there. If you're watching this and thinking you want to build your own SEO team of agents, the boardroom is where I show you how, step by step. And once you start setting this up, you're going to hit a few walls. Maybe the install trips you up, maybe you're not sure which keywords to feed it or how to fit it into your own site. That's exactly what a one-on-one strategy session is for. We get on a call, just the two of us, and build a plan around your exact site and your exact goals. So you get through the messy part faster and start seeing real progress instead of getting stuck. If you want that, come find me inside the AI Profit Boardroom at aiprofitboardroom.com.